What's up, guys? I just got to the new office now. As you guys can see, this is the new headquarters, and we are still trying to see how we can transform the place, but the place is big enough to accompany both the training, the trading hub, the trading floor. Everything about Golov University, Paytrex Pro, and my brand is headquartered in this particular place. 4 Ways Office Park, Sandton, South Africa. All right, that is not the topic of today. Immediately I got to the office to check on the technicians that were actually working on the remodeling. Something caught my attention. I see a lot of people are sending me messages on Instagram. They're sending me messages on YouTube. Students in Golov University on Discord about my Forex fund, because I think I saw a communique. They sent a message on their Discord community. I'm just going to leave the screenshot of that particular message. They were just trying to explain that in US and Canada, their services have been suspended or their accounts have been frozen because they are being scrutinized, or they've been taken to court. They want to regulate their activities. So a lot of things just came to my attention, and I was like, let me address this particular issue. All right. Before this particular incident, I remember 2 days ago, I made a video where I was addressing something very similar to this. On that particular video, I was explaining to you guys that the Forex industry is very, very unpredictable. The Forex industry is very, very uncertain. And my best advice, which is something I practice myself every day, is when I get my withdrawals or my payout from Forex trading, I put in other industries. I invest in other industries, so that even if tomorrow Forex is not more there, or even if tomorrow the Forex market just has to disappear, I wouldn't even give a damn. I wouldn't even mind, because I have already removed money from the Forex industry, and I have invested in my other companies that are even out of the scope of Forex trading, that are not even Forex related. All right. So that was the video I made a few days ago, and coincidentally, waking up today and getting to the office, they told me, okay, my Forex fund just sent this communication on their Discord saying, okay, they are frozen. You guys already know, I have 500,000 funded account. I have $200,000 funded with my Forex fund, and $100,000. I have $500 funded with my Forex fund, and I've gotten more than $40,000 in payout. You can see this was $24,000 payout. This was $16,000 payout, and all these payouts you are seeing, they are from my Forex fund. So I've gotten more than $40,000 in payout from my Forex fund. So even if I wake up tomorrow and they said my Forex fund is not more there, or they've suspended their activities, I just ask myself, was I on the losing side of the spectrum? No. I invested almost about $5,000 or $6,000 to buy pro-firm accounts with my Forex fund. I faced some of the challenges, I blew some of the accounts, but at the end of the day, I got funded of $500,000. I have $500,000 with my Forex fund, and out of that $500,000, I've gotten withdrawals of almost about $40,000. You guys can see, this is from Traders Capital. That is my Forex fund, all right? And the same company that out of the blue, they're saying Canada and the US, they're monitoring their activities, they're taking them to court, they want to question them about their regulations and stuff like that. So the main question that I asked myself when I saw this message is my Forex fund owing me? And the answer was no, they don't owe me. Even though I have $500,000. I made a video recently showing you guys my funded live accounts with my Forex fund. You guys saw it live. Even though I have $500,000 in live funding with my Forex fund, and they're going out of business, or they are on the verge of going out of business, the main question is they are not owing me anything. They've already given me payouts of more than $40,000, and what I invested to buy those pro firms was not even up to $10,000. So at the end of the day, my Forex fund doesn't owe me, which is the main question you should always ask yourself in the Forex industry. This industry is very, very unpredictable. It's very, very unstable. All right, so the moment you get payouts in Forex, the moment you get payouts from prop firms, invest that money into non-related Forex activities. My main goal, even trading with prop firms, was to be able to get capital to put in my private account. So even if my Forex fund is out of business today, My account with IC Market is fatting. My account with my private account with IC Market is in the hundreds of thousands. Meaning, even if all prop firms just disappear today, I just use them as a medium to get capital for my private account. Because with my private account, in my private broker, that one I know that, okay, this broker can't just wake up tomorrow and disappear. My funds are safe. I can be able to compound this. I can be able to grow with this. Not with prop firms. The main reason for prop firms was just so I can be able to raise capital and put in my private accounts. So that is the main question you should always ask yourself. Okay, let's come back to the main issue, which is my Forex fund saying in US and Canada, they've frozen all the accounts. They are taking them to court. Which company in its right senses operating in a Forex-related industry will register the company in US or Canada? That is the main question. My Forex fund is run by what set of people? Because which company in its right senses will register a Forex-related business in US or Canada? That is the most stupid decision any CEO or any company can ever make. Why not register your company in Cyprus? Why not register your company in Dubai? Why not register your company in Cayman Islands? Why not register your company in Seychelles, where these particular jurisdictions, they have enabling environment? When it comes to Forex trading or any Forex related activity, US is bullshit. US is shit. I'm just going to use what it is. US and Canada is bullshit when it comes to Forex trading or any Forex related business. Even people who are based in USA, even some pro firms that I know that are based in USA, they have their businesses registered out of US. Even some pro firms that I know, the big names in the industry that are based in the US, they have their pro firms registered in the Cayman Islands. They have their pro firms registered in Dubai. They have their pro firms registered in Seychelles. Why? Because these particular jurisdictions have enabling environment. Even if regulation has to come into the pro firm space tomorrow, these companies are safe. I don't know, this was the dumbest decision my Forex fund ever did, to go and register their business in the US or have anything to do with US or Canada when it comes to Forex trading or any Forex related activity. Why do they think people, even students from Golo University or my subscribers, why do they think they keep contacting me every day to ask me to look for them a Forex broker, to be able to look for brokers that can accept US clients? Even brokers won't accept if you are from US or from Canada. Even brokers won't even allow you on their platforms. Brokers won't even accept you. Because your country's laws, your country's regulations, your country's security commission's regulation is crap, is bullshit, is stupid. So even brokers won't even allow you, if you are from US or Canada, brokers won't even allow you on their platforms. Because your security commissions, the security commission or the community security commissions or whatsoever for the US is stipulated that any of their citizens who is registering for a Forex broker, you can't use any I think the leverage, you can't use any leverage that is more than 1:50. Any leverage that they don't even give you leverage. Some of them 1:50 is even extreme. They advise some of them, they even put a maximum. They said any company that is doing anything Forex related, you can't offer a leverage of more than 1:10. And the main reason why I trade Forex, besides stocks, the main reason why I choose Forex trading over stock trading is because of leverage. It's because of leverage. It's because with the $1,000, I can be able to have a leverage of 1:500 and trade as if I'm having $500,000. But if you're in US or Canada, that particular advantage is already stripped out of you. It's already taken away from you until you ever die or change that particular country or go to a different jurisdiction that has an enabling environment for Forex trading. You will never make any money. That's why I see many people from the US or Canada, they use pro firms that have brokers that are what they call offshore brokers. Those are brokers that are registered out of the US. And even if you are in US, you can be able to trade through a pro firm and you trade through that broker. But you can't sign up a private account with IC Market if you are in US. You can't sign up a private account with a big broker if you are in US. I feel pity for you guys. It's not your fault, it's your country's fault. That is just what I wanted to say today in regards to the panic. I saw you guys panicking about my Forex fund. Nobody knows when they're going to be coming back to business. I personally have $500,000 with my Forex fund. That was the highest prop firm that I had my funded accounts with. That was the highest prop firm that I've gotten payouts from. You guys can see all these payouts. They're from my Forex firm. That was the highest prop firm that I've gotten payouts from. That was the highest prop firm that I think on my top 5 recommended prop firms, my Forex fund was among that list. So I should be on a better place to address this situation because I have recommended the prop firm to my students. I have recommended the prop firm to my subscribers. But to now, just as I'm saying, they are not yet deemed scam. They didn't scam anyone. As of now, it was just a country's regulation. This is the new down of prop firm, or maybe this is the new opening of prop firms to regulations. Maybe after this, they're going to be regulating all prop firms. Who knows? Maybe this is the beginning of regulations when it comes to prop firms. But you guys should be able to know that even if there are regulations when it comes to prop firms, it's going to be for your benefit. Because all these fly-by-night prop firms, I don't want to call names, but all these prop firms that are just popping out here and there, you see this one, all these celebrities, even people who have nothing to do with Forex, they have no idea about Forex trading, but they are opening a Forex prop firm. All these prop firms that just come by day and they just come by day, the night they are gone. If there's a regulation, that is going to be to your benefit. Because all these scam prop firms that are just popping up, you register and they disappear with your money, they are going to be regulated, and all these prop firms are going to be out of business. So you should even be happy if there's a regulation. If this is a new down in the Forex industry where there's actually going to be regulation for prop firms, then you should instead be happy. All right? So you guys shouldn't panic. I know most of you guys are hurt. I know most of you guys have accounts with my Forex fund. I know most of you guys have challenge accounts. Most of you guys have funded accounts, but we're in the same shoe. I have $500,000 live, not even a challenge, live funded accounts with my Forex fund. I've gotten payouts from them more than $40,000, but even if they are out of business today, that is the Forex industry. Always prepare for the worst. Not that we're being negative, not that we're being pessimistic, but always prepare for the worst. If the Forex industry has to disappear tomorrow, even you as a profitable trader, where are you going to have your safety net? Always have a safety net where you have your investments to say, okay, even if my Forex fund is not there tomorrow, I already got my payouts from my Forex fund, and I was able to put in my private accounts, and I didn't feel any impact. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you have a profitable trading day.